What's up, guys, and welcome back to Monthly Passive Income. And today we're going to talk about my latest trade on how I made $738 in the next 37 days, November 10th, 2021. So the trade is AEM. So I've been following a couple of gold stocks for a while, and if you have been paying attention to the gold price today, it is actually going up. So I decided to enter into this company, AEM, which I know quite well, and I used two contracts that took a little bit more risk in this case, and the expiry date is December 17th, 2021. So the put strike is $60, which is actually above the current market price, which is why it is medium risk. So the premium per contract is $369 per contract, and I'm entering two contracts. So in total, the capital use is $12,000 with margin. So then when I'm looking at my portfolio, I am a little bit over leveraged more than I would like in this case, but no worries, we'll see how it goes. And the return is 6.3% for 37 days without using margin. So if you actually take this and times it by 2, that's actually the return using margin, because I'm doing around 2 times margin. So the annualized profit here is 60.67. So let me just fix that. So that is above the 30% mark we're aiming for. So obviously this is a medium risk position, so it has a higher return because the strike price is also higher. So nevertheless, if you have been following this channel and you're watching these videos, hopefully you're making money by now by some of the previous trades. If you didn't get access to this trade history tracking log, then it is in the first link in the description. So far, my open trades to dates are NEO, Intel, Disney, Coop, and AEM. So you can refer to some of the earlier videos here. And with a $32,000 account, which I've been adding money along the way, I also added a column called the approximate balance. So this actually helps calculate the return on a monthly basis. In case you ever need to somehow calculate the annualized return as well, it should help you to do that. And then so far we earned $3,786. So we'll see how that goes. The previous trades were pretty successful. And obviously I'm trying to trigger a trade where I'm purchasing the shares. And then after that, I will be able to see and try out cover called, which is the other side of this strategy. So far you can see all the trades I've placed is selling put. So if you're looking at the performance summary, this is something I've added that is new to this tracking sheet. So you can see my monthly return for October is 8.04%, and at that point my average balance is somewhere between $10,000 to $20,000. So that is the weighted average. And then afterwards, right now my balance is around $20,000 to $30,000 because I've been adding money. So then my return for November will be approximately 9.7%, give or take, depending on how the market goes. So that's where we're at, and I'll update you the next time I make another investment. And if you're interested in getting this tracking log and kind of getting an update to it, then you can click on the first link in the description and subscribe to it, and you'll get access immediately. I'll see you in the next video.